Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. So today we are going to learn about how to create a weather app in your Angular application. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Here we have to add the city name, okay, and the country. Just enter. You will get their long humidity, pressure, temperature and the description. Okay, so let's see on the code level how we are going to make this. So here we have the services section where we have the API call. This is basically the weather service. So this is that is called the testing part. Okay, and here we have the service part. So where we have the Angular core HTTP. So here you can see that we have the API key and the URL, and constructor we are calling the API. Okay, and when we click on the get weather, so we will return all the details the API from we are getting on. Okay, then we have the routing, the nothing we have done. Okay, then we have an app component .html. So here we have the full-fledged HTML that we are using. Okay, so here you can see that. So here we have the form, the simple form which contains the two input fields, that is the city and the country. Okay, when we click on the submit location, we get the city and the city code. Okay, and after that we are fetching all the information from there. So let's check the submit location. Okay, so by default the country code and the city is London and the UK. Okay, and here we have the services part, right? So ng on init this dot get weather. So we are calling the get weather function. So here we have the weather function. So you can see that when we click on the submit location. Okay, so where is submit location? This is submit location. Okay, and here we are calling this dot get weather. So it's basically this dot get weather here. So this dot get weather, this one. So ng on ng init, this is getting this call by this one. Okay, so here we have the this dot weather dot service. So to which service? Get weather. So this service we are calling, so it returning the API call. Okay, so we are calling this API and passing the city name and the country code and subscribe this one. So now we are hitting that API and get the response from here. So it is all stored in your this dot weather object. Now we are getting each and every from the object. So here you can see that in the component.html. So with this dot weather is stored everything. So weather dot name, weather dot coordinates. So all the information whatever we subscribe from the API we are getting from in the weather object. So you can just retrieve whatever they are getting on. Okay, so the rest after that the city name and the country code value gonna be empty. You can see that, right? So the main logic and the logical funda is that we have the first app component.html, then we have a submit location. Go to the submit location and check first whether this city name and value is empty or not. After that we have to call the function that is get weather, which accepts the parameter city and the country code. Go to there. Okay, and this weather function is basically calling the API that is get weather, which is and getting the two params, that is city name and the country code, and we have subscribed this one and to store all the information in this weather object. Okay, and we are just fetching all the data from the weather object. Okay, so this is very simple and the very easy part, like how to make a weather app in your Angular application. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.